gonna go and buy the DJI Osmo Action 4 to see if it's a worthy successor for our trusted Sony FDR-X3000. What names, Sony? When are you gonna grow and start using proper names?
Right, so we've been using this camera since when, Amanda? 2016.
Yeah.
This camera started its life in Australia. Yeah.
It wasn't 2016.
It was.
No,
When did your brother came? Been using this camera since 2017. Not 16, not 18, 17. Dude, this bald guy started his channel in 2018. Wow, and he started his channel 1 year after I got this camera. It's been a long time since 2018. Jeez, what's 7 years? I can't even imagine that. 2018 feels like 2 years ago. Alright. Alright, man. Okay. Alright, I want to say something. Good job to all the YouTubers who started that and stuck to it. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of dedication. It's a lot of fear. It's a lot of self-doubt. And it's a lot of hurdle and money from your pocket when you start. It's not easy, man. It's not easy. So good job for everyone who stuck to it for years and did well. Like, kudos to you. I know a lot of people think of the Sony as a cult status. I know it has optically image stabilization, etc, etc. It has great features, but the reality is I feel like it's time to move on and get something that's just makes your life easier in post and get very decent footage from it. In other words, say my name. I need you to tell me in the comments, do you think I'm crazy for putting my Sony FDR-X3000 for sale and replacing it with a DJI Osmo Action 4? Let me know what you think. And also please let me know if you think that the DJI Osmo Action 4 or the Sony is the better choice here. So we're trying to find JB Hi-Fi and we're in Southland, Melbourne. It's just like a labyrinth of shops. We got the expert shopper here.
I'm not an expert shopper.
And she knows all the tricks.
I definitely don't know where JB Hi-Fi is.
Let's have a look. I'm guessing it's down there. Action 4 Adventure Combo. Yeah,
is that it?
Oh yes. Oh, we found it. So apparently when I called them, they put one on hold for me under my name for the special price. Special price because I missed the sale, but it's not really cheaper than the sale. But now the guy can't find it, so the guy went and trying to look for one for me. He just grabbed one, but I don't know what price he's gonna give me yet. So we're here waiting, and I'm not sure what for, but I can't wait to compare them side by side and let you know which one is better and see myself the quality, see it how. Doesn't look at YouTube, but how does it look on my screen? Because there's a lot of factors that go into YouTube: the upload quality, the encoding quality, the color profiles. So there's a lot to it, more to it than what meets the eyes. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you.
Alright guys, we got the camera. Let's see if it's really much better than that. Well, what's the hype is all about? Should I replace the Sony and keep the DJI? Or should I stick with my heart? Let's have a look.
Alright, let's see how this looks now. So before we had the Action 4 on super wide mode and it made my face distorted, which is not what you want. So let's see how it looks in this mode, which I believe is standard. And we're comparing the Sony FDR-X3000 and the DJI Action 4.
That's right, Sony.
Yeah, so let's see how it looks. So this, I've got obviously lots of natural light on me. You can compare colors and you can have a look how my hair texture looks and then the colors. And this is with backlight. So I'm in a place where there's not much light now. So let's see how it looks now. Like, can you see my face? Alright, I'm going outside now. I've got some full daylight, lots of sun now. So we'll see how it looks now. Ah, it's hot. So now we're in the shade outside. Let's see what happens if we put the sun behind me. Can you see my face? And that's with sun on my face. Let's see how it looks.
The sun is next to me, and you can see it's really behind me, and it's gonna be very harsh conditions with the sun behind me. But from the tiny screen, I'm seeing the DJI handles it pretty well, actually. Alright guys, this is unexpected, or is it? My conclusion at the end of the day is that I'm more confused. Do I sell the Sony? Do I keep this? You would think that after what? You would think that after 8 years now, 8 years of this Sony, you'd think that after 8 years that this will be like a no-brainer, right? This will be like, test this out, get this one. But mate, now after comparing the footage, I still love the Sony. It's something about it. There's something about the rendering of the picture when you compare it to real life that there's something nice about this. I can't explain it. There's something nice. This still holds. This is a fantastic kit of equipment, and I don't know how to explain it. I just don't know how to explain it. This is really nice. If I didn't have the Sony, obviously I will keep this. The dynamic range on this is better. When you're out, it handles the sun better, it handles the sky better, it handles indoors better when you have backlight. And I think even the colors could be more accurate because the Sony was on vivid mode, obviously, when I was filming that. But mate, I don't know. The Sony this overheated a little bit, didn't shut it down, but it was very hot to the touch. The Sony didn't feel hot to the touch, which is great. But is it worth it? As an upgrade, maybe, depends. I haven't tested it in D-Log 10 yet. That's one feature I like about it, that you can show it in 10-bit. But man, this is gonna be hard. Let me know in the comment down below. And while we're at it, don't forget to subscribe. And when I make the decision, I'll update you maybe down here. Maybe I'll make another video and let you know what I have decided, because I'm indecisive right now. And that's the conclusion of the video. See you in the next one.